What I love about the design field is it's iterative. I can take my sketch that I did on a piece of paper and bring it into Autodesk Maya or Autodesk Fusion and play around and create the form, and then bring it back from that 3D space into a 2D platform and sketch on it, and just go back and forth between the softwares. I'm Jared Teeger, an Autodesk Design Make Ambassador and campus leader at Georgia Tech. At the heart of it, it's bringing awareness to Autodesk, to campus, but also pushing people to learn more about the design and make community. It gets you into contact with people interested in creating things and having fun while designing. Hosting workshops is a really inspiring thing for myself. It's a way to give back to the community here at Georgia Tech, and to see beginners with their eyes opening as they learn Fusion for the first time and see what the possibility is for the future is really inspiring.